This is the centerpiece. And this is really, really good advice, all right? Here we go. Read up here, and I'm going to walk you through this. This step alone, you learn so much, all right? The late investment icon, Charlie Munger, said Berkshire Hathaway, the conglomerate he and Warren Buffett built over the last 5 decades, could have doubled its value if they applied leverage or borrowed money when buying businesses and common stocks. And they never do that because why? They always put their shareholders first, so they don't want to risk it. So right here in this paragraph, this is the one that hit me. Berkshire could easily be worth twice what it is now, and the extra risk you would have taken would have been practically nothing. All we had to do is just use a little bit more leverage that was easily available. And the reason we didn't is the idea of disappointing a lot of people who had trusted us when we were young. If we lost 3/4 of our money, we were still very rich. That wasn't true of every shareholder. Losing 3/4 of money would have been a big letdown. As such, the use of leverage is prevalent on Wall Street as it provides a way to boost buying power and enhance the potential return in any given investment. But it also significantly increases the risk, as losses can multiply quickly if the investment doesn't pan out as expected. So I think this part here, this paragraph here, means a lot, especially for those of us who've gone through 2022 and 2023. Don't forget this part of the lesson, all right? Some of you maybe just started investing very recently. I started in year 2000, went through that dot-com crash, then went through the Iraq invasion, then went through the financial crisis 2008, then went through the pandemic crash. So went through many cycles. And of course, along the way, make money, and there are times when we are severely tested and tempted to do different things. So this is the part about beware an unsettled mind. It's so good. This paragraph here is so good, the headline, all right? Beware of an unsettled mind. So this headline itself, or sub-headline itself, is what I wanted to communicate. We should do things that make sure that we sleep well at night, we don't put ourselves at risk, and especially in this crazy 8i era, where we're still facing the 8 I's, all right? By the way, inflation is still around, invasion is still around, isolation kind of opened up already, yes. Inverted yield curve is super inverted right now. Interest rate is very high. We are still expecting it, maybe one more hike coming up 2 weeks from now. We are going to talk about that in a short while. And then we still have a threat of a World War III triggered by the Israel-Gaza war. So this part is correlated to the macro environment that we are going through today, all right? So how do we handle this? Here we go. There's simply no telling how far stocks can fall in a short time. Even if your borrowings are small and your positions aren't immediately threatened by the plunging market, your mind may well become rattled by scary headlines and breathless commentary, and an unsettled mind will not make good decisions. This is the golden nugget. How many of you enjoyed this piece? Can I encourage you to take a picture very quickly and save it on your phone, all right? Very, very important. And an unsettled mind will not make good decisions. This is the big takeaway. I'm going to address the topic of unsettled mind by bringing on board a very, very interesting topic, which I've been very fascinated about, and that's the idea of what is the difference between investing into properties versus investing into the stock market. Is there a difference between investing into the property market versus investing into the stock market? What's the difference? Hi, Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this. We always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.